In an industry ruled by gasoline, noise, and legacy, one company dared to go silent. When Tesla launched, experts laughed. They said electric cars would never work, that batteries were toys, and Tesla would collapse in months. But today, Tesla isn't just surviving. It's rewriting the rules of the entire car industry. This is how a startup with no experience, no factories, and no chance outsmarted giants who'd been ruling the roads for over a century. It all started in 2003, when a small group of Silicon Valley engineers believed electric cars could be fast, sexy, and sustainable. At that time, the idea sounded ridiculous. Electric car meant slow golf carts with limited range and plastic bodies. Then came Elon Musk, an entrepreneur fresh from selling PayPal, who decided to invest in a vision no one believed in. The goal wasn't just to build another car, it was to prove that sustainability could outperform tradition. Tesla's first product, the Roadster, wasn't perfect. It was expensive, unreliable, and built on a borrowed Lotus chassis. But it did something no electric car had ever done before. It went from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, powered only by batteries. That single moment made the world notice. Suddenly, electric cars weren't boring anymore. They were thrilling. Behind the scenes, Musk revealed what he called the secret Tesla Motors master plan. Step 1. Build a high-end sports car. Step 2. Use the profits to create an affordable luxury sedan. Step 3. Use those profits to build a mass-market electric car. And finally, Step 4. Provide zero-emission power generation to go with it. Every move was deliberate, like a chess match against history itself. While legacy automakers focused on selling next year's models, Tesla was designing the next decade of mobility. The Model S was Tesla's checkmate. It didn't just match gas sedans, it destroyed them in performance. It was faster than a Porsche, safer than a Volvo, and cleaner than anything else on the road. But the real revolution wasn't under the hood, it was in the code. Traditional car makers sold vehicles, and that was the end of the relationship. Tesla sold computers on wheels. With over-the-air software updates, Tesla could fix issues, add new features, and even improve acceleration overnight. While others mailed recall letters, Tesla pushed a button and updated thousands of cars instantly. That single innovation flipped the auto industry upside down. Cars were no longer static machines, they were evolving products. Every mile driven by a Tesla generated data. Information about roads, weather, driving habits, and safety. That data flowed back into Tesla's system, training algorithms, optimizing performance, and improving autopilot. Each driver unknowingly became part of a global experiment, teaching Tesla's AI to drive better than any human. While traditional car makers relied on suppliers for engines and transmissions, Tesla began building its empire from the ground up. They called it the Gigafactory, a structure so massive it could be seen from space, designed to produce batteries at a scale the world had never seen. By controlling the supply chain, Tesla lowered costs, increased speed, and protected itself from global shortages. It wasn't just a factory. It was a declaration of independence. As other companies waited for parts, Tesla manufactured its own. As others debated electric future timelines, Tesla delivered it early. Then came the Model 3, Tesla's true test. A car designed for the masses, priced within reach of the average buyer. The launch was chaos. Production bottlenecks, missed deadlines, critics circling like vultures. Elon Musk called it production hell. But Tesla survived. Each day, the factories improved, robots recalibrated, and by the end of the storm, Tesla had proven the impossible once again. A A small startup was now producing more electric cars than companies 100 times its size. By 2020, Tesla wasn't just a car maker. It had become the most valuable automaker in the world, more valuable than Ford, Toyota, and Volkswagen combined. How? Because Tesla never thought of itself as a car company. It thought like a tech company that happened to build cars. Its real product wasn't steel or rubber. It was software, energy, and data. Every Tesla on the road is part of a massive self-learning network. Billions of real-world driving miles feed Tesla's neural nets, improving the autopilot and full self-driving systems every single day. Competitors can't replicate that because they don't have the data. Tesla's lead isn't measured in factories or patents, but in experience, in every road driven and every mistake learned. And when the world faced a chip shortage that crippled automakers globally, Tesla quietly rewrote its own software to work with alternative chips. While others paused production, Tesla kept rolling. That's what happens when you think like a programmer, not a manufacturer. Today, Tesla's gigafactories are multiplying across continents, in Nevada, Texas, Shanghai, Berlin, and beyond. Each one is a self-sustaining ecosystem. Solar roofs above, robots below, AI optimizing every process inside. Tesla even sells home batteries and solar panels, linking energy generation and transportation into a single loop. It's not just about cars anymore. It's about creating an energy economy that fuels itself. And while critics still argue about panel gaps and stock prices, Tesla is quietly turning its cars into data centers. Machines capable of driving themselves, trading energy, and communicating with the grid. In the span of 2 decades, Tesla went from an idea nobody believed in to the company everyone is trying to copy. Ford has the Mustang Mach-E GM revived the Hummer as electric. Porsche built the Taycan. Every brand now talks about range, batteries, and autonomy, the language Tesla created. The difference? Tesla has a 20-year head start, a community of millions of cars sharing intelligence, and a culture built on rapid iteration. Fail fast, learn faster, and update overnight. The giants who once laughed are now trying to catch up to a company they once dismissed as a fad. Tesla didn't win by building better engines. It won by changing the rules entirely. It replaced horsepower with computing power, gasoline with algorithms, and tradition with innovation. It didn't sell cars. It sold a vision, a future where speed meets sustainability and silence beats sound. And now, that future is unfolding, one silent, electric ride at a time. Subscribe for more rides unfolded.